The ukulele, also known as the uke, is a small guitar-like instrument used to entertain the minds and hearts of many people in many parts of the world. Many people may think the ukulele came from Hawaii, but it actually originated in Portugal, where it was known as brejinho. In Hawaii, it's very common for children to pick up the instrument, whether it's in a structured class or just hanging out with friends. The ukulele is a great way to pass the time.
I've been playing the ukulele since I was about 3 years old now. So ever since I can remember, I've been playing that instrument. Actually, my parents were musicians, and they always encouraged my brother and I to play music and we went to hospitals every Sunday for years, and we performed for people that were bedridden and sick.
Yeah, my uncle Nalani, he's a ukulele kumu, and I used to dance hula for a long time, and I just liked the way he played.
The ukulele came over to Hawaii with Portuguese immigrants in the year 1879. The ukulele has become a very important and historical factor in the history of Hawaii. The brejinho was offered as a gift to the Hawaiian natives, making peace between the Portuguese and the Hawaiians. The native Hawaiians changed the name later to ukulele, meaning jumping flea, most likely referring to the movement of the player's fingers. While many Hawaiians believe this was the translation, Queen Liliuokalani believed the ukulele meant the gift that came here. Nowadays, it is being passed on and can be regarded as the gift from Hawaii to people all around the world.
I think that it's become popularized, and you can't go anywhere and not see an ukulele nowadays, no matter where you go in the entire world. It's easy to carry, and I think it's very user-friendly, and I think a lot of people enjoy playing it, and I think it's spreading.
Jake Shimabukuro, an ukulele virtuoso who is known for his fast and complex fingerwork, often works with children in sharing his knowledge of the ukulele.
Growing up in Hawaii, even though this is, being a Japanese American in Hawaii, I never felt like I was a minority here. When you talk to other people, like if I had grown up, if I was born and raised in somewhere like North Dakota or Wisconsin, I would have had a very different experience. But being born and raised in Hawaii, I feel very fortunate that I had all the opportunities that I had, and I was very accepted.
Even celebrities back then and now play the ukulele.
I really go by what Jake Shubamukuro said, and he said that if everybody in the world played the ukulele, then the world would be so much happier. So I think that the world is a lot happier now that this instrument started.